Hello everyone, my name is Shweta and I am working as a QA engineer in Agility. So in this video, I will be sharing how QA processes are followed within our organization and how structured testing helps ensure application quality, stability, functionality, and most importantly, smooth user experience. Since this is the first QA focused presentation being shared, I wanted to make this session more process oriented and demonstrate how organized QA activities contribute directly to reliable software delivery. Along with that, in this video, I will be presenting the work I have completed on an online multiplayer poker gaming application. So, first of all, what is QA? After listening this, in everyone's mind the answer comes that to finding bugs. But QA is not only stuck to finding bugs. Let me explain the role of QA and QA workflow. So the QA process starts with understanding feature requirements and expected functionality from the client side. Based on that, these scenarios are prepared covering functional flows, validations, and edge cases. Once development is completed, QA engineer executes testing to verify application behavior across different scenarios. If any issues are identified, they are documented with proper details and shared with developers for resolution. After fixes are implemented, retesting and regression testing are performed. This regression testing process is very much important because QA not only validates bug fixes but also ensures overall application stability after changes are deployed. So now I want to I want to give you an insight about an application which I have recently tested. It was an online multiplayer poker gaming platform which supports no limit hold'em poker type, pot limit Omaha card poker type, and multiplayer multi-table tournament. So that platform involved user authentication, bug poker gameplay, tables, batting and pot calculations, multiplayer synchronization, reconnection handling, tournament flow, etc. Since gaming applications involve complex logic and real-time interactions, QA validation becomes extremely important to maintain stable gameplay behavior and user experience. During testing, I validated authentication flows. Gameplay validations were also performed for batting logic, minimum raise restrictions, and pot calculation behavior to ensure accurate game flow. Now, another thing which I have covered was timer and reconnection handling, multiplayer synchronization, tournament flow, etc. In real-time applications, especially gaming platforms, even small issues can directly affect gameplay behavior and user experience. That is why structured QA processes become extremely important. So, during testing, multiple functional and gameplay related issues were identified. One example involved expired email verification links, where the system displayed a successful verification message even though the verification link had already expired. However, during login, the system showed an error saying that the verification link had expired. This created inconsistent system behavior and confusing user experience. Another issue involved chip value display consistency, where decimal chip values appeared only in specific sections while remaining inconsistent across other interfaces. This created inconsistent financial display behavior and affected UI consistency across the application. So, all over this testing experience helped strengthen my understanding of real-time multiplayer application testing, cross-team collaboration during issue resolution, It also improved my analytical testing approach and understanding of how organized QA processes contribute directly to software quality and user experience. So overall, this experience provided valuable exposure to structured QA methodologies and real-time application testing processes. Thank you for watching.